Yeah. But I guess based on your upbringing, you say more you want to stabilize yourself.
Thank you. That's true. Yeah.
But the general DJ doesn't go and say, yo,
yeah, man.
me go bleach, me go do this a bus. You understand me? So me start to understand.
And some we say, boy, that's the only thing we can do. But seeing as, you know, me they get accustomed to the 9 to 5, you know.
Yeah, but the music is very jealous, you know.
Yeah, true.
It's very
true,
jealous,
true.
me can tell you. You have somebody you have to say, yeah, well, I just dedicate my time to this.
Right.
But it depends on your mindset. Yours is like, I'm going to be a singer,
conservative.
You know, but I'm going to be a 9 to 5 singer.
Yeah.
I'm going to do my thing, I do my little accounting. Then in the night, I'm going to dance. And then, you know, so by 12 o'clock, I have to leave because, you know, it's work the next day.
Yeah, well,
listen, you know, it's have it good and bad still, but it more work against you, know.
Yeah, but
because you have no. Some artists are gonna say you didn't go through the channels. You understand me? But
we probably had it rougher than some artists, you know. Because before I became a solo singer, I was in.
You was in a group with some professionals.
7th extension.
Right, and you did it for like 6 years.
No man, that's different too. That's a long after. Before that, I was lead singer for 7th extension. We had a contract with singer Montego Bay every Sunday night. I was the only one in the band where at 3 a.m. me have to wake up and take public transport, come at Scotia King Street and go and me tell a wicket. The average artist never have it so rough.
Right.
Right?
When you check it,
and at 9 o'clock, I have to down, me tell a wicket to greet the customer them coming.
Yeah, because you know the customer service there.
Right.
But I think most artists now go do that today. If
yeah, me know.
Music,
yeah, man, me know.
Because listen, by right still, you know, me's a farmer, you know. Come and
see what I mean?
Yeah, he's a farmer.
Thank you. We're about to start.
All right,
so
no problem.
Thank you for your free interview. We're not going to find out.
Well, I know that WhatsApp got a while ago, so I'm going to take the call.
No, because
no, I understand. Yeah. You stay ready?
Yeah, man.
You hear my microphone? Good?
What you say?
Yeah, you hear me? Okay. Somebody find out Mr. Bogle.
Come to me, please.
All right. Quiet for the set.
Yardstyle live.